everyone, so in today's class we are going to learn how to make clay pancakes. For that, here I am using super clay, and the first process is to mix black and brown clays. And now make 3 equal size of balls out of it. Rest those balls with the help of lid and repeat the same process with other ones. And now we need cream. For that, here I am using white clay. Do exactly same as we did earlier with the brown balls. Now with the help of clay tool, add details. Now layer all pancakes one over other. Now it's time for decoration. Now take white clay and make 5 to 6 drop shape out of it, so that after arrangement it will looks like cream. Arrange all these teardrops together. You can add berries, strawberries, anything. It's your choice. But here I will add blueberries. Making blueberries process is really simple. You can see in the video. And one more thing, if you want to join these classes, you can contact the number which is given on the video. Stick these berries one by one. I will also add tiny leaf, but you can skip this step. The best thing about clay is that they can stick by themselves. You don't have to add anything like glue or gum. Here I will also add a chocolate. Making chocolate is pretty easy, as you can see in the video. Just take your clay and cut it in a square shape or rectangular shape. Remove the extra parts with your hand and add details with the help of clay tool. Mostly you do not need glue to stick, but maybe if it's dried up you can use glue. And here is the final look. That is it for today. Bye.